So let's take a look at the different subjects that I will cover in this course. First, we'll begin with the fundamentals of Apple Motion so that you'll understand the tools and techniques that power everything behind the scenes. From there, you'll learn how to create on-screen controls that make your templates flexible and user-friendly. Next, we'll dive into designing responsive lower thirds and titles and discover how to craft unique transitions that give your edits a unique or signature look. Next, we'll explore how to build powerful generators, develop our own unique VGFX, and how to adjust our templates into different aspect ratios and resolution so that our work looks sharp and professional across any platform. You'll also learn the essential process of packaging and distributing Final Cut Pro templates so that you can sell your creations online. Finally, we'll bring everything together by creating a sleek minimal slideshow template, a practical project that you can use right away or adapt for your own style. By the end of this course, you'll have not only the knowledge but also the toolkit of assets and skills that will let you create with confidence, elevate your projects, and even monetize your work.